Hi guys, Mrs. Hawes here. I thought today for just for fun that I would actually record one of your choices on the bingo card number 1. I thought it was easy. I haven't ever made it before, so we're going to make Play-Doh. So I thought I'd do it here right in front of you so you could see. It's really simple on the materials. I bet you have these all in your kitchen, but I got it kind of laid out for you. So here's what you need, your materials, right? You need some Morton salt, you need some flour, you need some water, and you need maybe food coloring if you have it, certainly a bowl, something to lay it out on, and I brought maybe a fork and a stir thingy, one of those things to help stir it with. So you will actually need to pour out in your measuring cup a ½ cup salt, you will need a cup of flour, and a ½ cup of water. That is all you need to make this, maybe a few drops of food color. So here we go. So I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to pour my flour and my salt in there. That's the first thing you do, flour and salt. And then you mix. Mix. Wow, mix. All right, I'm mixing it up. That's easy, right? Easy, easy, easy. Mixing it up. Then it says, never made this before, so we'll try it together. It says to use a little bit of water. Now, don't pour the whole thing in there at one time. Probably won't work and make a big sticky mess. So I got the salt mixed in. I would just pour a little bit of that ½ cup water and stir. A little bit at a time and stir. And it's going to get kind of thick on you as it goes. It's going to get thicker as you go. Add a little more and stir. And you can start to see it's kind of getting a little lumpy. Lumpy, that's good. And a little more and stir a little bit. And this is Hawes' sink. And then you just need something. I would work on something, paper, something. I wouldn't go smushing this on your countertop. Your mom will get mad at you. Just go ahead and then you can play like we do at school with Play-Doh. That's pretty good. I probably shouldn't have added that last few drops. It's a little wet, but as the more I play with it, the more fun it's going to be. Now, if you want it to stick a while, like not dry out, right, then you should stick it in a little zipper bag or something. You can play with it tomorrow. If you have cookie cutters, this would be fun to make cookies, cut cookies. I don't think you should eat it, but it's all kitchen stuff, so it wouldn't really hurt you. But you can play and make forms like we do in class. You can make sculptures like we do in class. It's quite fun if you don't happen to have your own Play-Doh. Well, that was choice card number 1. One of the options for you. I presented this little video for you. I'm going to do these just for fun every day I can. When I get bored, I'm going to find something new to do. So by next week, you should have at least one of those choice card number 1s done, and then I'll pop out a new video for you. Are you ready to go have fun making our Play-Doh today? See you later. Bye.